Embroidery videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now, and these are genuinely some of the most satisfying and mesmerizing pieces of content you will ever watch. And look at this Instagram page. In just 17 posts, they have already built 61,000 followers, purely from this one style of content. And one single video from this page has already crossed 23 million views, which is honestly incredible. Now, watch what I personally created with AI in just 5 minutes. The very first thing you need to do is head to the description below and open the master prompt file I have already written for you. Start by copying the first video prompt from the file and head straight over to Google Flow. Now, click on the plus icon and upload any object photo you want to transform into an embroidery video. Once your image is uploaded, click on it, hit the 3 dots, and select Animate. Inside the video settings, select the Ingredients option, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set the duration to 10 seconds. Now, paste the first video prompt directly into the field and hit Generate. And within just a few seconds, Google Flow will produce your first stunning embroidery scene right in front of you. Now, here is the step that makes this video flow seamlessly from one scene into the next. Scroll all the way to the very end of your first video and save the last frame by clicking the Save Frame option right here. Click on that saved frame, hit the 3 dots, and select Animate. Before you paste anything, make sure the Frames option is turned on. This is what keeps the visual continuity perfectly locked between your two scenes. Now, go back to the description, copy the second video prompt, and paste it directly into the animation field. Hit Generate, and within just a few seconds, your second embroidery scene will be completely finished and ready to use. Once both scenes are done, download them and bring them into any video editor you are comfortable with. Place them on the timeline in the correct sequence from start to finish, first scene followed by second scene. Once everything flows naturally and smoothly, hit Export, and your viral embroidery video is completely finished and ready to post. So, that's the complete method. Subscribe to the channel right now so you never miss out on the newest viral AI niches, the